Okay, make it happen. Bring him. All right, Felix. Who's this?
Hello. What is happening? Hello. Get love. He's like,
It's alternative mom.
hello. Thing ever. I don't think he knows what to do.
Who is that? That's your Aunt Steph. That's your Aunt Steph. Oh my God.
This is so cute.
That's Eric.
What a dude. He's like, that's just my mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, like nothing different.
Why did you bring another of my mom? That's weird.
You can rub this up in.
I
I don't think the reaction is gonna change.